Oh yeah, baby, we here. Ooh, water's dirty. Water is dirty. That's where I caught my PB at. There's my guy, my Shimano Hermano. You try top water yet?
No.
But I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a good old buzz, cause that's just what I do. This water is super dirty today. Super. What's that? What you got? Oh yeah, no, throw that in there. Throw that in there. Trying to get as close to this grass as I can, because I know fish they hide around here. Oh, I think I threw it through the grass. The wind pushed it. It's a little breezy over here. Fish on, baby. Fish on, baby. Still a little dinky dinky. A nice little release. Thank you for playing, my friend. Oh yeah! Woo!
Caught nice on that joint. Smallmouth on them, but still superb.
Woo!
248.
248, 2.5. Nice. Good job, Shimano Hermano.
Get that papa. Alright.
What'd you catch it on?
The jig.
Nice.
Come on.
There it goes. If that 5-pounder is in here, I don't think she's up shallow. She might be somewhere in the middle. Nah. Oh, fish, fish. Yeah. There we go. It's small though, but it's on the I got it on the 6 cents what's it called? Like a rattle trap. I gotta be careful with this though, because treble hooks and these little fish, they don't go together. No, I got some. I got some. I got my Guggen baits pliers. Yeah. She be eating. You got a little fat tummy. What is that? Nice light color. Go on with your bad self. So when you caught that, I was trying to double up so bad over there. I was trying so bad.
Shot, but she ain't come back for a little bit.
Right, I see her.
I'm gonna stay away from that shit.
Please. I'm gonna switch up to a worm. Finicky little. I'm still battling this fish over here. This fish is being super finicky. I switched over to a shaky head with a brush hog on it. But she does not want to touch anything. And she keeps getting spooked. There we go. Let's try worm then. Come on, lady. You got to run in front of her face. Come on. I guess I'm gonna keep on working on her. My friend over there, he's working on her. It looks like a minimum of 3 pounds over there. They look small in the water, but once you take them out, they're pretty hefty. But he's getting her to at least nibble at it. I can't get this one to do anything. She's just on her bed, being corny.
Let me try a worm. Oh, God, man, that's, I can't wait to still wait on that.
Damn, I can't get this one to do anything. It noses up to it and it's not doing anything.
I got her doing with a swim bait. That's the only way they got her out. And I kept going back and then reeling it back from like, so where she could see it and then putting it back in the bed.
Right.
And then pulling it back out, throwing it back out outside the bed, reeling it back in the bed. She starts spinning around. Once she starts whirling like this, they're getting pissed.
We'll have to switch out worms then. Maybe she don't like the pink. I don't know. I wasn't recording when I got it, but I got it with the jerk bait. I knew she was just nibbling at it. So if I could just get her to get one of these hooks, I could get her. I'll weigh her, give her a little weigh. .23 pounds. Sorry, girl. Go back to your bed. There she goes. Literally right back to her bed. Back at it again. This spot is in every one of my videos. I just can't stay away from this spot. But this spot is definitely hit or miss. It's usually miss. I've been getting lucky the past few times. Let's see if we can bring something home.
See if my man went that way.
Close to 3. Close to 3.
Yo, I'm
328.
328.
That's what's up. Good stuff.
Nice chunky one. Damn, she's chunky. I thought she was gonna be like 4, but it's all right.
Maybe pre-spawn she would have been 4.
Yeah.
Oh, what is her?
All right, girl. Enjoy the fruits.